Hey guys, welcome to African Empire, where we create content that is affordable, quick, and easy, and will definitely give you the glow that you're looking for, the glow that is yours, the glow that I know for real, that you've been looking for. Like, you've been looking for this glow forever, and I'm here to give it to you for free. Honey na, honey na. So, like, yeah, guys, today I have Thursday love days for you. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning. If you're just passing by checking the channel out, be sure to subscribe to not miss any of our future videos. And if you are just wondering who is this lady, my name is Winnie, and I just come here and yap and do what I do and work out and show some fashion and do crazy things to just make your day. So yeah, that's basically me in a nutshell. But I'm a girl driven by celebrating the Africans, African storytelling, African cultures and stuff. You are yet to see the things that I'm cooking. So be tuned and click on the bell to always be notified when I post anything. So yeah, guys, with that being said, let's get on to it, because yes, namhlanje controversy but you know what, it's okay, let me not overthink. I tend to do that sometimes. So with that being said, guys, let's get to it. Okay, guys, getting to it again. Namhlanje nizo-engage nithanda ningathandi, ngiyanfosta. Okay, guys, so today I want us to talk about two human beings. So I'm going to be talking from the perspective of a woman, but if you're a guy watching this, also think of it on your end, because man, just in a world of like it diversity, yay, things that are happening in this world lately, you just like, oh my goodness, what is this, honey? What is these? Are these the days? Are these the days we were on a boat? So yeah, guys, today I just want to talk about, you guys know I'm a lover of love. So I started this segment a while back of Thursday Love Days, where I used to just share my opinions on love. Like, I would talk about love and what it means to me. Basically, in a nutshell, I'm a lover girl. I'm a lover's girl. I just love love. Is that what they call them? Lover's girl or lover girl? A lover girl makes sense. So I'm a lover girl, guys. I just love love. And man, I believe Ugutinje, I've been drawing that to myself, also to just loving myself. It has shown me, you know what, girl, you deserve the best, because the way I'm so loving to myself, child, it's proof enough. Ugutinje, yeah, tando. And I just feel like it's positive energy. Like, love is beautiful. All of us like always want to get the best out of it. So yeah, love is beautiful, Jay. I believe in love, Jay. Yeah, that's that. So basically, I'm just telling you guys this because I want you guys to relate to me, like just sharing a bit about love. And this is one of those videos where now I talk about my heart chakra, because I just feel like, yes, I'm not Dr. Love, but I know something about love. Like, I've lived enough. Yeah, I've lived enough to know. We'll see, what can I share with you guys for you guys to climb up and get your glow on your love uh, 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 areas as well. Okay, again, without dragging it, I just needed to tell that person that is new to say, hey, lana siyakhuluma nangento zothando. We just don't speak positive energy, but we do positive energy as well. You can see I'm getting my glow. I've been like, oh my glow, like, what is this? And this year is a big year for me, because like, a girl is turning a big age. Like, oh my god. And you know what? I can feel it. And I can tell Uguti, I'm gonna be on some high vibrational level, more than this. So Nje, my new age is going to give me more glow. Anyways, I'll see collab. So with today's Thursday Love Days, I want to ask you a question, Uguti. Would you, as you guys might have seen from the title and the thumbnail to say, would you? The question is also asking you, Uguti, would you rather date an alcohol lover or a weed smoker? Like, a person that is like, I love this. and then, or both. Like, I've got three, but Mina, mainly I'm gonna talk about two, because I don't think I have experience of both. So you guys, I'm gonna give you guys a challenge to comment down below with a glass. You see that emoji of a glass of alcohol, like a jar? Comment it down below if you're choosing a person that rather is an alcohol lover, or if you're choosing a person that is a weed smoker and you're like, yo, they're like, comment down below. A leaf. I'm sure they're on your emojis. You've got a leaf. So choose one leaf that is just specifically for you, and just post it down below in the comment section to say, Winnie, mina ngithi ngizithandela a weed smoker. Winnie, mina ngithi ngizithandela an alcohol lover because of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You don't have to give me the reasons now. Like, I mean, if you're comfortable, it's cool. But I'm just opening your mind. Guys, this is what I usually do. I'll come here and leave you guys with a small worm in your mind to say, think about such things. I think these are like cute topics, especially for people my age. It's things that we like find relatable to talk about, because Siguleo era and age whereby you're dating someone and you find out it's okay, your bae likes to drink or your bae likes to smoke. And literally, if you're someone like me, with the mentality of accepting a person as they are, because you're also not perfect, you will adapt to it. But also, if you are not a fan of it, maybe you will bring it up to your person and then they change, whatever you guys do. But I'm going to tell you about what inspired me to talk about this. I was inspired to talk about this because I have finally experienced both. I'm not saying finally, that's when I'm in a balance. No, I'm saying I've lived my life to a point where I've been with someone who was just into alcohol, not like in a way that it was in an abusive level. No, it was really healthy in my eyes. Excuse me. And then Nakona person with weed intakes and smokes. Guys, Mina, personally, I don't smoke anything anymore. Yes, I've had my fair share on my 20s to just enjoy myself. Got nothing anymore because I get right. So now, and when I say nothing, I mean nothing. Ah, man, you name it. Ah, I've been there. So, alcohol, yes, I still here and there. So I'm a person that I will rate myself, Guti, I'm just in the alcohol side because I'm not a smoker, but I have nothing against smokers. So now, guys, here's what I want to say, Guti. Guys, because I've also seen with me, I just feel like it doesn't matter for me. Like, so Mina, I'm gonna say this. With alcohol lovers, sometimes they tend to love alcohol too much, way too much. Like, it's like way too much, my brother. Like, calm down, no, calm down. And then sometimes with I'm saying way too much because like you'd find Uguti. Mina, I like discipline, guys. I won't lie. Like, when I say my man, like, lead me. Like, I need you to lead me. Like, you must be 10 times what I am. Like, if I'm ambitious, your ambition must be out of this world. Because I look at my man in a way, or let me just rather say my partner. But anyways, I look at my partner in a way, I really look up to them. So when I look up to someone, I really want them to inspire me, in general, full circle. So ambition is number one. I would never like, I don't anymore. If you're not ambitious, like with like you're not excited for life, that bubbliness to saying, yeah, man, you absolutely not for me. Thank you, bye. I'm sure there's someone out there. And also there's this thing, I'm diverting quickly. There's this thing of people thinking they can literally play cycles again. Guys, it's Katistahamba. You must understand ukuthi people bayashintsha, abantu baya-upgrade, abanye nje kunezinto abanye basayithanda. Mina, guys, I know, for instance, this is another video I'm gonna do in my 30s, my dating game. I'm leveling it up because I've realized, I was like, the people that approach me now, like, it's like, what the hell? I've never thought this would be my life. But also, I'm just like, Nah, man, I've been taking myself to the pants, you know. I'm her. I'm her. But anyways, I'll take what I have. So yeah, basically for me, I would say it doesn't matter. But guys, I have a problem with someone like just being too much on anything. Like it shouldn't be to a point where now I feel nothing, you know. It should be okay. Weed smokers, what I like about them, guys, you already know I love Jamaica. If you don't know, guys, I feel like Jamaicans are the most peaceful people. Like in my head, like Jamaicans are so sweet. Like I still want to go to Jamaica, guys. I've never been to Jamaica, and I want to be. I want to go to Jamaica. I want to go to Brazil. I will. Anyways, I just feel like I don't have a problem because I feel like they're zen. They just become zen and very creative. So Minanje, like that's when I feel like asking my partner about ideas. Like whenever they are just like they are just like, okay, what do you think about me doing a video like this? Do you think it's gonna eat? Do you think I should just put it out there and the universe will do its thing? Yeah, but that's when I'm just like, and yo, guys, I'm advice I'm ha when so I can't really say because I've experienced both best of both worlds and then Ngap had a fun time. You know, one thing I've realized even for myself because alcohol really takes out the shy. It does this shy drop. You can guys, managing as tandeli fun, like especially when I'm in a relationship, like my relationship should be fun. If it's not fun, I just believe you are not for me. Like you can go, there's other girls out there. And I'm very like understanding with people just going to other people because I'm just like sometimes you'll be there stressing about someone ganti uzo pazisi headache. So they might as well, if they're not for you, I believe in God arranging things for me too much. I'm crazy about it. It's my delusional state of things to say. I just think God will just level up everything in my life. He knows who I am meant to be with. Like all these things, like I feel like he has done it already. So whenever some things don't work out with people, I'm just like, okay, it's okay. And no matter how painful it is, it will pass. And whatever, and it will pass. So I say this to say, I'm not gonna choose. I know you guys are waiting for me to choose which one is the best. No, no. Get this video on case, then I will tell you which one is my favorite.
Subscribe to African Empire Production.
I just wanted to bring this worm to you to say, would you rather choose an alcohol lover or a weed smoker? Nisho logo, because I want you guys to start thinking now and say, Winnie, what did you just do? Exactly. And if it's both, you have to also think, because if it's both, okay. Like I'm talking about regular vibes, you know. So yeah, like for instance, knowing that your partner in Nama weekends they like to wind down, you know. Depending on what they do, also I'm not in your relationships. But yeah, I will tell you guys on the next video of Thursday Love Days which one is my favorite. I feel like right now I just gave you like a balance. It's equilibrium because I told you what I like about weed smokers, which is the creative vibe, and I do have an option. But I want you guys to get this video to Case. Get it to Case. Then reveal. So yeah, basically that's the video because it said would you, it didn't say what I would do. So I just wanted to bring the web to say, guys, I know me Nanje Uguti in relationships, especially now that we're living in these times, you know, a person needs to wind down. There's people that don't do either of, excuse me, but I'm sure there's other things that they do. Like for instance, maybe a person would go gymming, gym lover, like I don't know what they call them, fancy, but you understand when I say gym lover, or a foodie, you know, good thing. But this time around I just wanted to put it in easy that can make you feel intoxicated or zen, because a lot of people don't believe that weed is an intoxication. A lot of people that I'm not a doctor, I'm not a PhD doctor, I wouldn't know much about it, I didn't research. I just came here to say, in dating, which one do you think is the best? When? Which one do you think is the best? Comment down below. Let's have a competition in the comment section and let's talk which one is the best. If you guys say alcohol lovers are the best, then now we will have a video to talk about that. We might even have a live just to engage, whereby I'm like, guys, why are you saying that? Come on, guys. So let's have that, and then I will be controlled by you in this case. What you guys will say will go. So the more votes you put down, the better it will be for me to go live and we talk about why you guys are saying that. Or alternatively, you can let me know if you want me to do a video of my choosing, whereby now I choose to say, I'm saying I like an alcohol lover because of 1, 2, 3. I'm saying I prefer a weed smoker because of 1, 2, 3. I don't want about both. That's why I didn't even make it a thing to say both. Because both it will be a thing of occasionally. One of the two is done occasionally. Unless your body is like bombastic body. Healthy Ninja. Healthy ninja boss. Guys, I don't know why. I feel like lately I'm channeling a lot of my Nigerian attitude type of vibe. And it doesn't come from anything. I love every African person and anyone globally, whatever. So I'm literally, you know what, when I feel like gossiping and I know that I want the spice. But anyways, yeah, guys, that's that. So let me know if would you date and enjoy. We're not talking about dating and then be miserable with an alcohol lover and be miserable with a weed smoker. I'm talking about enjoy. Like you are like, you are Ashley, I need my guy to be smoking weed. I need my guy because of 1, 2, 3. Yeah, like I'm talking about that hype. Like, the hype. Like how, I'm talking from a woman's perspective, because like how guys will literally generalize us and just not generalize, categorize us to say, no, I'm into this type of woman, I'm into this stuff. Not at this time in life, is this my opinions. What do we like? So I want you guys to come down and talk about that. So yeah, that is my 2 cents, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Love you guys so much. Don't forget to comment, because if you don't comment, it's okay. Me, I'm safe. At least if you don't comment, me, I'm just like, but I know what I will choose. So just let's make it fun. Comment your answer. Don't forget a glass, that jar, your alcohol, if you're choosing an alcohol lover. And then if you're choosing a weed smoker, just drop a leaf. And then the more emojis we see down below, the more we will know, you. And then getting this video to K's, I will then say mine. K's is like 100K. 100K, a young 100K. Let my mind blow. You guys, I'll see you. Bye bye.